Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Madam Nazihah binti Zainal from Biology Unit KMM. Today we are going to learn new chapter. Chapter 8, Reproduction and Development. There are 4 subtopics in this chapter. 8.1 Types of Reproduction, 8.2 Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants, 8.3 Human Reproductive System, and 8.4 Fertilization and Fetal Development. But for this session, we will only cover 8.1 Types of Reproduction. For 8.1, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define sexual and asexual reproduction. Okay, we look at the definition of reproduction first. So, what is reproduction? Reproduction, a process by which living organisms transmit their genes to the next generation and giving rise to offspring. For example, in this picture, gene from father and genes from mother will be transmitted to the next generation in the form of male and female gametes. Male and female gametes will fertilize and produce zygote or offspring. Next, we look at the roles of reproduction. Number 1 is to increase the number of organisms, and number 2 to enable the transmission of gene to the next generation. As you can see in this amoeba, when it reproduces through binary fission, it will be divided into 2 organisms, and this will increase in the number of amoeba. There are 2 types of reproduction. First is asexual reproduction. Second, sexual reproduction. Next, what is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is the process by which an individual inherits all of its genes or chromosomes from a single parent, thus being genetically identical to that particular parent. Since cell division is only by mitosis, no variation among progenies. Here are some examples organisms that undergo asexual reproduction. From only one single parent, it will produce 2 progenies after it reproduces. Progenies will be genetically identical to parent. Okay, here are example various type of asexual reproduction. We have binary fission, apomixis, budding, fragmentation and regeneration, parthenogenesis, and sporulation. As you can see, it only involves single parent to produce offspring, and fertilization does not occur between 2 different gametes. Next, sexual reproduction. Definition: a type of reproduction in which 2 gametes fuse to form zygote. Formation of gamete involves meiosis and development of zygote involves mitosis. So, this will increase variation among progenies. Okay, as you can see in this picture, female individual will undergo meiosis to produce female gamete or egg, while male individual will undergo meiosis to produce male gamete or sperm. Egg and sperm will fertilize to produce zygote. This fusion will increase variation among progenies, and zygote will next undergo mitosis when developed into embryo. Okay, let's recall back both types of reproduction. First, asexual reproduction doesn't involve the fusion of gamete because it only involves single parent. But for sexual reproduction, it will involve the fusion of gametes because it involves two parents. Question time! And now you can try to answer this question. Define asexual reproduction. Define sexual reproduction. And the last one, which type of reproduction that produce variation among progenies? Hope you enjoy this learning. Bye!